Tony Bennett is a renowned singer and entertainer who unfortunately struggled with drug addiction. Bennett reportedly spiraled into drug use while dealing with the death of his father in 1975. His addiction was largely kept a secret from the public even as his career was winding down. He was often described as destructive due to the large amount of drugs he was consuming. Reportedly, he was often seen drinking large amounts of scotch, smoking crack, and freebasing cocaine. He was reportedly spending around $2,000 a day on drugs at one point. Bennett was able to finally overcome the drug addiction and spoke openly about his problems. He reached out to mentor young people, in order to spread awareness about the dire effects of drug addiction. He vowed to help anyone to actively look for and seek treatment for drug addiction. Through his mentorship, Bennett has also been actively working with justice-involved individuals to prevent them from getting into trouble. To this day, Bennett still speaks publicly about his own success in getting over drug addiction. He hopes to serve as an example of how a person can overcome difficult problems. Bennett is the spokesperson for National Drug Court Month, and is dedicated to help those affected with drug addiction. He considers himself as a militant against substance abuse and actively began speaking at various conferences and meetings about substance abuse. Bennett's effort to reach out and help those stuck in the throes of drug addiction has been an incredible influence on many. Thanks in part to his own success in overcoming his addiction, Bennett is now a role model in the eyes of many people. His fight for a better society and his passion for helping others have been inspirational to many. He actively advocates for the fight to end addiction and regularly travels to areas to spread the message of hope. Bennett is also actively involved with various charities and organizations that helps those dealing with addiction. He works with the National Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence and helps in their efforts to spread awareness about addiction and prevent people from falling into addiction. Bennett openly shares his story with others as a reminder that even the worst of situations can be overcome. By staying sober and spreading hope, Bennett is an incredible role model of how to successfully overcome addiction. He encourages others to get help and start the process of fixing their life. Through his tireless work and advocacy, Bennett is dedicating his life to helping those struggling with addiction. He knows the harsh reality of addictive substances, and continues to help people until it is gone.